Hello, welcome back to the Von Regan Kitchen. For today, in Teresa's kitchen, we are gonna do one of my fast, flavorful, with a few ingredients recipes. This recipe only has 3 ingredients: button mushrooms, bacon bits made from fresh bacon, and sharp cheddar cheese. This recipe is called bacon button mushrooms. And I love this recipe because it reminds me of my childhood friend, Tommy. And she made this recipe up for us one day in her kitchen, and we ate it as an appetizer at a party with our families. The 2 first things you're gonna do is cook your bacon, and I like to bake my bacon in the oven at like 425 to 450, depending on your oven temperature. Let it cool, and then crush it into bacon bit crumbles. Fresh bacon bits are the best. Then, while your bacon is cooking, you're gonna de-stem all your button mushrooms. So you're gonna have a mushroom like this one, and you're gonna just twist and pull off the stem. Then you're gonna stuff them with some bacon bits and also cheese. You're gonna top them with cheese, the cheddar cheese. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do all the bacon first, and then I'm gonna go back and put the cheese. Now that I've finished putting the bacon and cheese on all of these yummy bacon button mushrooms, we're gonna pop these in the oven at about 400 degrees, depending on your oven. If it's like a cooler oven, you can put it at 425 for about 10 to 12 minutes. We want to put them on the middle rack. That's a tip because your bacon's already cooked and you don't want your cheese to burn. So put them on the middle oven rack for best cooking. Okay, I'm gonna put them in the oven. Okay, fam. The bacon button mushrooms are out of the oven. They look so good. I've already popped like 3 or 4 into my mouth. This is what they look when they come out of the oven. I will say that I put it at 400 for about 10 minutes, and the cheese started to get a little bit too dark, just a little bit too crispy. So I would cut the time to like 8 minutes. So 400 for 8 minutes, and I'll notate the recipe card. These are great for an appetizer or a side dish. They're so good. Like I could eat half of them. Probably shouldn't with all the bacon and cheese, cholesterol city. But you can see it's just such a pretty presentation. Okay, fam, I want you to give these bacon button mushrooms a try and put in the comments what you think. I'm gonna pop one into my mouth now, like my 5th one. Perfection.